Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how you can integrate Beehiiv and LinkedIn. So for that we will be using Zapier. You can search for Zapier in Google and you can use their 14 days trial to try it out. So after you create a Zapier account, you'll have to log in, and then this would be your home page, and from here you'll have to press this create button on the left side and then press on Zaps. So it will take you to a new page where you'll see two actions here. So you'll have to press the first one, and then you'll have to search for Beehiiv here, select it. As you can see, there is this window option here. In the account section you will see the sign in button, so you'll have to press in this sign in button, and then you'll have to sign in with your Beehiiv account on the pop-up window. So after you sign in, what you'll have to do is you'll have to go to the action, as you can see, button here on the second one. Press on that and simply search for LinkedIn. Select LinkedIn, and then here you can also select your action or what you want to do, and also, as you can see, you'll have to sign in with your LinkedIn account as well. So simply press the sign in LinkedIn button, and it will open another window, and you'll have to simply sign in. So after this, as you can see, both Beehiiv and LinkedIn are integrated. So this is how you can do it. That was all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.